Baccarat Rouge is a very popular fragrance for women. It's a luxury perfume and it's really pricey. A lot of people are interested and curious, but they don't want to spend the high price of this perfume. So if you're interested in trying something that's really similar to the Baccarat Rouge, I suggest trying the Sol de Janeiro body splash. It smells really similar to Baccarat Rouge. And this one is in the Chirosa number 68. De Janeiro also sells this cream. You can also use this cream, It's like, and you don't really need the big tub of cream. I just use this small one. I get a little bit like so, and just put it like on my pressure points right here, right? The pressure points, and then go in with the spray, and it's going to last a pretty good while, and it smells so similar to Baccarat Rouge. This Baccarat Rouge, it smells really similar, you guys. I'm not joking. It's really similar the way these two smell. If you combine these two, like layer it, these two is going to last a good while. But yeah, it's really good. Obviously, it's not going to last as long and perform like the original, but this is really good. Like layering these two, really good stuff.